Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy shares in Fisdom. First, download the Fisdom app to your smartphone. Next, you'll need to complete your Know Your Customer or KIC verification. This involves providing necessary documents like your PAN card and address proof. Finally, link your preferred bank account to your Fisdom profile for easy deposits and withdrawals. This setup ensures a smooth investment journey. Once your account is ready, open the Fisdom app and head to the Stocks or Equity section. Here, you can explore a wide range of companies listed on the stock exchange. Use the search bar and filters to pinpoint specific shares you're interested in. Take your time to review each company's profile, including its historical performance and financial data, before making a decision. After selecting your desired shares, specify the quantity you wish to purchase. You'll then choose your order type. A market order executes at the current best available price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum price. Carefully review all the details of your order, including the total amount, before confirming. A quick tap and your trade is placed. Congratulations, you're now a shareholder. You can easily monitor the performance of your newly acquired shares within the Portfolio section of the Fisdom app. Consider setting up price alerts to stay informed about market movements. Remember, regular review and potential diversification are key to successful long-term investing. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.